There's nothing quite like fresh pizza. Today we're going to show you how to get that great brick oven taste right in your own kitchen. First, pick up some unglazed quarry tiles. They cost about 50 cents a piece and come in a variety of sizes. We're using 8 6x6-inch pieces for our pizza. Place the tiles on the top rack of your oven as well as on the bottom rack, and now preheat your oven to the highest temperature. All right, it's time to make that pizza. First, put some flour down on your cutting board and roll out the dough. Work it until it's thin and flat and just smaller than your quarry tiles. Pour on the sauce and spread it with a ladle. Now, sprinkle on some cheese and any additional toppings you might like. We're using basil leaves for a Margherita-style pie. When your oven is ready, sprinkle some flour or cornmeal on the tiles. Then slide the pizza into place and let it cook until golden brown. The tiles on the bottom will cook the pizza through direct heat, while the tiles on top will use radiant indirect heat to give you that perfectly melted cheese. Now slice it up and enjoy. Buon appetito!